Hello. Just a few words of caution before we begin. Do not listen to this recording whilst driving or operating machinery, as it requires you to be totally relaxed with your eyes closed. Now find yourself a quiet, comfortable place to relax, where you can have time to listen with peace and quiet time for yourself. You can either lie down or relax in a comfortable position or on a comfortable chair, whichever suits you best. Now uncross your legs if they're crossed. Separate your hands and allow them to rest loosely at your sides. Now just take 5 slow deep breaths, breathing into your stomach area, breathing in relaxation, and breathing out any concerns and daily thoughts. This is your very own time to just allow yourself to let go and to relax completely. And as you continue to breathe slowly in and slowly out, just notice the slow rise and fall of your stomach. Enjoy this wonderful feeling of relaxation and well-being as you continue to breathe at a rate that is really comfortable and easy for you. As you concentrate on the words that I'm saying to you, just allow any other sounds that you may hear. Allow them to take you even more deeply into this lovely feeling of comfort and relaxation. Now in your mind, just think of all the muscles in your face, the muscles around your eyes, your nose, your mouth, and your chin. Just think of them and allow them all to relax. Next are all the muscles in your neck and in your shoulders. Now take a deep breath in and out, as you just relax and let go. Next are the muscles in your back, your arm, elbow, forearms, hands, and feeling the relaxation right down to your fingertips. And you may notice that one hand feels slightly warmer than the other hand. But this really doesn't matter. All that matters is that you relax more and more, deeper and deeper. Next to relax are all the muscles in your chest. And then moving down to your stomach area, your hips and your thighs. And as you relax these various parts of your body, just notice how much more calm and peaceful you feel inside. You now have the power to control all your thoughts, changing them into positive ones as you continue to relax and let go. Allow this wave of relaxation to continue moving down, down, down to all the muscles in your legs, the tops of your legs. Relax. Your knees loose and supple, and your calves relax. Next, moving down to your feet and your toes. Really feel them all relaxed. You now have total relaxation from the top of your head right down to the tips of your toes. Feel the calmness and peace wash all over you. You are now in your own power and have the control over yourself. You have created this total relaxation for yourself. And you did this just by following my words and acting on them. From now on, when you start to feel those old emotions, you can now slow down. Take a few slow deep breaths, and you can stop them and release them by noticing what you're thinking and change those thoughts. By changing your unwanted thoughts into positive thoughts, you can create these very important and positive changes in yourself, in your emotions, and in your life. Over a short space of time, you'll be able to feel in control of your thoughts, and in so doing, you'll be able to control your mind. You now always remember to take these slow, deep breaths and then compose yourself. And all you need to do is then change your thoughts into more beneficial ones. You are now the master in all emotional areas of your life. By becoming more and more successful in controlling your breathing, your relaxation, and your thoughts, you are now more in control of your emotions. Feel the confidence in yourself, because now you can and you are able to love and respect yourself more than you've ever done before. Old emotions and habits from the past are now replaced with a feeling of inner confidence in everything you say and do, as you're more in control of all situations, with a wonderful calmness and a more relaxed attitude to life, just by using these simple techniques. You now always remember when you need to remember. You breathe deeply and totally relax in all stressful situations. You now claim your power, leaving you feeling absolutely amazing. I'm now going to count from 5 down to 1, and as I do, in your own time, you can come slowly back into the room with a wonderful feeling of joy and contentment. 5. Slowly coming back into the room. 4. Maybe stretching your arms. 3. Feeling more awake. 2. And on the next count, opening your eyes and coming back into the room. 1. Feeling relaxed, calm, in control, and absolutely wonderful.